Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this EngageBot review. For those of you out there who are looking to better utilize your social media platforms as a means to drive traffic to your offers, landing pages, blogs, or stores, or anything else like that, EngageBot is definitely going to help you out. Now, one of the proven ways when you're posting content on social media is that you need to really follow a couple of rules. And one of those rules is to trigger emotions in people rather than, logic, like featuring benefits and features of whatever you're offering. It's better to, try to trigger an emotional response in someone. And another rule to follow is to show some level of authority, whether that's through what you're saying or maybe you're quoting someone else. Now, this is why things like quotes and really beautiful images with meaningful quotes work really well on social media platforms, especially like on Facebook and Instagram. There are many accounts out there on Instagram that are able to differentiate themselves by putting out very meaningful quotes, and that's really all they do. They don't even mix it up, and they're able to find a lot of success. So I always recommend that no matter what niche you're in, this method of content production, it does really work for anybody, and it can work for you too. And if you can automate it and make the process of putting that content out really easily, you should really look into that, and EngageBot is going to help you to do that. Today we're going to take a deep dive into EngageBot and show you exactly how it works and exactly how you can benefit from it and how it can lead to you getting more leads and getting more making more money online, really. Before we get into that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell notification if you want to be updated on new platforms coming out that are going to help you to make more money online. Also, if at any moment you want to jump ahead and check out EngageBot on your own, make sure you do that by first clicking the link in the description. That way you'll be taken through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Legal stuff at the top, my contact details if you have any questions or problems. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the EngageBot official vendor sales page. So what that means is if you go through to my bonus page first and click on any of these green buttons, what that will do is lock in all of these bonuses before then launching you off to the EngageBot sales page where you can then purchase it. So these bonuses are hand-picked, and these are the best bonuses you're gonna get, and really go hand in hand really well with EngageBot. The first one I've gotten for you is called Instagram Marketing Secrets. Now let's face it, if you're gonna be putting out quotation, imagery, and things like that, Instagram is one platform you wanna be well versed in. So this product helps you really make that jump between just being a normal Instagram user and using Instagram as a business and a means to generate business. So some things that it goes into is just your standard use and setup of an Instagram business account, how to, tips and tricks on how to make your content pop, how to make it look better, how to reach more. There's bits in there on how to collaborate with other people on Instagram, and just an all-encompassing kind of product there. If you're not sure about Instagram and you're not really sure how people are getting so successful all over the place really quickly, this is going to shine some light on that for you. The second bonus I've gotten for you is a 3-part bonus. You've got Music Loops Volume 1, 2, and 3. So each one contains 25 royalty-free loops, which means you're getting a total of 75 royalty-free loops. And I threw this in there because one thing that you can also do is, rather than have just a quotation image, you can easily turn that into a video and maybe add some background music onto it as well. Royalty-free music, you're not going to get pinged on, you're not going to get people complaining that you're using their tracks, and there's some really cool loops in these 3 volumes that you can use without any of those worries. Bonus number 3 I've gotten for you is how to be an influencer, and this goes into the tips and tricks of the trade of how people really garner that following on different social media platforms. It goes into things like how to design a personal brand, how to present yourself in a way that inspires and leads. So again, it's going to go hand in hand with EngageBot and what that's going to do for you really well. It goes into how to create the right niche, how to create a content plan that allows you to create consistent value for your audience, and really how to just go from, again, normal Instagram user to really being at the top of whatever niche you're in, to the point where it is, your primary source of income, like a lot of influencers have been able to do. The fourth bonus I've gotten for you is a two-part bonus. Again, it really builds on the last bonus. One is called Online Viral Marketing Secrets, and the other one is Build Your Tribe. And again, these have their own golden nuggets of information in both of them. That's why I threw them all in, because each of these bonuses is gonna, give you a little something different. Online Viral Secrets is gonna teach you the components of what makes content viral, and Build Your Tribe is gonna go a little bit deeper on what it means to create that audience. Your audience is not just, random followers. You need to understand them. You need to create an avatar around who they are. So if you can understand them, you know what content to produce, and you know how to keep them happy and to keep them engaged, because at the end of the day, that's what really matters. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is called Simple Social Content. Now this one goes, again, a little bit deeper into the content production side of things, but not only on Instagram, but also really how to speak the different languages of each social media platform. So what you do on Instagram might not necessarily work on Pinterest or Facebook. So you got to know you got to understand the nuances of each platform, and this product teaches you the kind of content you want to post on each platform in order to maximize, again, your engagement. So a lot of really great bonuses here that are gonna really help you maximize how you use EngageBot. So if that sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description and lock in these bonuses using these green buttons, and that will then launch you off to the EngageBot sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend checking this out on your own. There's quite a lot to read. Check out all the functions and features, and if you do decide to purchase, you will be sent a digital receipt which looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be EngageBot and your credentials there, and under the blue button will be all of those bonuses that I just talked about. Any problems, my email's there. Now I should say that this is a launch week special, so any discount pricing you're getting through my links and any bonuses that I've just talked about, they are dependent on this countdown timer, so keep your eye on it. Basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lowest price, so I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. All right, without further ado, let's get into that over-the-shoulder demo, and you can see exactly what to expect.
I'm going to show you how this automated, visually engaging traffic system works to grab your visitors' attention on a personal, emotional, human level so they pay attention and buy from you. So I'm logged into the dashboard, and I'm just going to click on Image. Then I'm going to choose the background image category that I want to use for my quotes. Then I'm going to just start typing the tags of keywords that I want in my quotes to appear. And then I'm going to choose the number of quotes that I want to do in my campaign. I can choose the font or let it choose randomly, and the position. Then I just click Create Campaign and I'm done. I wait a few seconds, and then all I have to do is go back to the dashboard and I'll be able to preview all of my designs. As you can see, you can create eye-catching, emotionally charged design content that will consistently crush it on social media all year round in every market. EngageBot does all the work for you in just a few clicks within seconds and with zero technical skills or design background. Now, if you have your own ideas, you could create as many of these as you want, but if you have your own ideas, you can also go over and click Design. And now you can create your very own from scratch. So you go ahead and you click on a background to load it into the canvas. Then you can go ahead and add whatever text that you want. You can also add shapes, and you can change just about anything about these. So if you want to resize them, if you want to change the font, if you want to change the font size, the color, if you want to move elements around, you could do that any way that you want. You can also add effects to the various elements that you add in just a few clicks. So there are a ton of options open to you to custom design exactly what you want. Then when you're satisfied with it, you just click on Dashboard to go ahead and add that to your dashboard. And when you go back there, you'll see that the design that you made now appears there as well. You can see that this is much better than just having any type of ordinary content out there, because people buy with emotion. You want to connect with your audience in order for them to buy. And these designs will stop customers in their tracks and captivate their attention. Now, once you've created your designs, all you have to do is scroll over the one that you want, and you can download them. You can link to them. You can also post them instantly to social media. All you have to do is click on the link, choose the socials that you want to post to. You type in your message. Then you're going to go ahead and enter your URL link. Now, this is anywhere you want to send the traffic. This could be your website, social media profiles, offer pages, even affiliate links. Then you're just going to click post and you're done. You can see that EngageBot is the fastest and easiest way to get traffic and engage with visitors so you get them to take action and like, click, share, and buy. There's no need to hire graphic designers or social media managers, no fooling with Photoshop or graphic software either. EngageBot does the hard work for you to get you more traffic, engagement, and sales.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to get your hands on EngageBot and see how it can help you to save time on creating real quality content that is going to touch the hearts of your audience. So really quickly, if you go through to my bonus page, again, there's a little bit of info here as far as pricing goes and what you can expect as you go through that buying process. There will be a couple of one-time offers and upsells, and I've outlined them all here. So EngageBot Pro is going for $27, and it's everything basically you saw in that video. You can get the one-time offer VIP version for a little bit more. Basically, you're getting a lot more imagery, a lot more templates, a little bit more training. And then the one-time offer number 2, Diamond, you're getting video creator and publisher, and a lot more video related elements there. One-time offer number 3, Platinum, $37. Again, it's adding this quiz maker, so that's great for engagement, so if you want that as well. One-time offer number 4 is of course the agency license, so if you're an agency or a freelancer and you want to sell some of the things that you can create on EngageBot, you can get this license. It's pretty cheap for an agency license. Usually they run up a few $100s. You can get it for $49.95, and whatever you make with EngageBot, you can keep all those profits, and you can keep creating for people over things like Fiverr and things like that. So I should say that you do only need the EngageBot Basic Pro in order to get access to all the bonuses that I talked about earlier. So don't feel like you need to get involved with all these upsells. If you do just want the basic package, you still get all of the bonuses from me that I just talked about. So yeah, don't feel like you have to, spend a lot of money. So if you think about it, for $27, you're getting EngageBot Pro and all of those bonuses. That's a ton of value on offer there. If you think about it, actually a few $100s worth of value there, as well as, of course, a money-back guarantee. So not a hell of a lot to lose there. If you do have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or message me on social media or my email. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, enjoy EngageBot. I hope you love the bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.